Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best UTV jack is probably one of the most important accessories for maintaining and repairing your ATV, ensuring easy access for tasks such as tire changes, brake adjustments, or general maintenance. This comprehensive guide will help you navigate the world of UTV jacks with mounts, exploring various types, features, and factors to consider when selecting the perfect jack for your off-road adventures, ultimately saving you time, effort, and potential frustration during those crucial moments of repair or maintenance. Number 5. High-Lift Jack UTV 364. This jack is built for your UTV, providing reliable lifting power when you need it most. It's made with the same high-quality components as our standard jacks, ensuring years of dependable service. It features a unique gold zinc-coated winch clamp spreader attachment, adding versatility to its design. This attachment allows for a variety of lifting and recovery tasks. The jack and handle boast a tough black powder-coated finish for superior protection. The gold zinc-coated hardware complements the overall robust build. Its two-piece handle and socket are designed for durability and reliable performance under pressure. This ensures a secure and stable lift every time. Safety is paramount. That's why it comes with clear safety use information stickers, including rated load details and operating instructions, directly on the handle for easy reference. What we like. It boasts the same robust build as its larger counterparts, but in a size perfect for UTVs. The unique attachment is a real game changer for versatility. If you need a reliable jack that can handle various tasks and you appreciate quality, this is the one for you. What people say. This part of the product description may reasonably lead one to believe that the materials are the same as the standard high-lift jack but sized more appropriately for a UTV SXS. What it is the standard high-lift jack, and on the 36 jack only the lift bar is shorter. All other hardware and dimensions are the exact same as the full-size jack. This jack has the same capacity as all the other HI-lift jacks rated at 4,660 pounds and max capacity before the safety shear pin breaks at 7,000 pounds. This UTV model, and it is a simple and amazing product to use. Number 4. KAVIUS Adjustable High-Lift Jack Mount. This versatile mount is perfect for Jeeps, trucks, and off-road vehicles. It securely holds your high-lift jack, keeping it readily accessible when you need it most. It fits round or square tubing from 1 to 2.5 inches in diameter. This makes it compatible with a wide range of vehicles and mounting locations. It's built from high-quality aluminum and high-strength metal, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. The stainless steel hardware adds to its resilience. Mount it to your front bumper, crash bar, roll cage, or roof rack, wherever it's most convenient for you. It provides a secure and stable platform for your jack. The triangular grooves enhance sealing and prevent scratching. Its anti-theft design adds an extra layer of security. It makes a great gift for any off-road enthusiast. Show your loved ones you care with this practical and stylish accessory. We stand behind our product with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. If you have any issues, contact us, and we'll help you within 24 hours. What we like. This mount is incredibly versatile, fitting various tube sizes and vehicle types. It's made from high-quality materials for lasting durability. If you prioritize a secure and good-looking mount that works with different vehicles and bars, this is your best bet. What people say. This is a very solid product, and I am very pleased with product in quality and fit. Very versatile in application and is designed well. Very high quality machining and anodization. Very stout. I expected it to slip at least a little. I even thought about dipping the U-bolts in rubber, but there was no need. These grip tight. I have 1-inch tubing for the roof rack it's mounted to, and I can do pull-ups on the jack without it moving. Kit comes with multiple U-bolt sizes for multiple applications, as well as a bunch of split lock washers. Lock washers are included for the actual knobs that hold the jack on as well. I'm very impressed with these mounts. Number 3. Tusk UTV Scissor Jack Kit. This kit gives you everything you need for easy lifting. It includes a heavy-duty scissor jack and all the mounting hardware for your UTV. It's a lightweight, portable jack, but don't let that fool you. It's rated for 2 tons. The compact handle makes it easy to use. The jack mount is built from high-quality, powder-coated steel for durability. It also comes with tough aluminum roll cage clamps for a secure fit. It adjusts from 3.75 inches to 18.25 inches, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks and vehicles. You'll be ready for anything. This kit is designed for a quick and easy installation. You can mount it in minutes and be ready to hit the trails. Everything you need is included in one convenient kit. No need to source parts separately. Just install and go. What we like. It's lightweight and easy to use, making it perfect for quick tasks. The included mount makes installation a breeze. If you value convenience and ease of use above all else, this scissor jack is an excellent choice. What people say. This did exactly what we needed it to. It fits perfectly on our side by side and was very easy to use. Good product. Heavy duty. Mount works great on my 2017 XP1000. Works great. Number 2. Polaris RZR Quick Lift Jack. This powerful jack is built to handle even the toughest jobs. It's got a high capacity and a wide extension range, making it perfect for lifting your Polaris RZR. It easily lifts up to 2,500 pounds. No more struggling with heavy machines. Use the included crank handle, or connect a ratchet or cordless drill for even faster lifting. It's designed for convenience. It comes with a roll bar mounting kit for easy installation and secure lifting. This ensures stability during use. When fully contracted, it measures only 27 inches long, making storage a breeze. It's perfect for those who need to save space. It offers a wide extension range to accommodate various lifting needs. This ensures it can handle a variety of situations. What we like. It's incredibly powerful and comes with a convenient roll bar mount. You can even use a drill for extra speed. If you need a heavy-duty jack with a simple mounting solution and want the option of power tools, this is ideal. What people say. Excellent product. Must have to facilitate tire repairs when off or on road. The jack works fine on the rear of the ATV. The mount allows the jack to slip and flop around. Number 1. UTV Quick Lift Jack U5500. Need a powerful and reliable jack? Look no further. This jack is built to handle heavy loads with ease. It effortlessly lifts up to 2,500 pounds. The extended height range gives you the flexibility you need for various tasks. Operation is simple and convenient. Use the crank handle or connect a ratchet or cordless drill for faster lifting. It's designed for easy storage. When fully contracted, it measures only 27 inches long, saving you valuable space. It features a durable, weatherproof galvanized finish. This ensures long-lasting performance, even in tough conditions. Get yours today and experience the difference. It's the perfect jack for all your lifting needs. What we like. This jack offers a powerful lift and is easy to operate, with the option to use power tools. Its compact size makes storage simple. If you need a powerful, easy-to-use jack that doesn't take up much space, this is perfect for you. What people say. If you have a trailer and it needs to be jacked higher than the existing jack can accommodate, this is your tool. Built a 14-inch tall block for the existing jack will to rest, but the challenge was jacking the boat high enough to put the block into place. This tool works out perfectly for the task, and if I ever need to replace a tire etc., this will do just fine. Very sturdy, quality built. The roll cage holders are excellent and sold separately. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.